Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing experiments with dry ice, and me and my grandfather, we're just putting ice in this bowl, and look at what happened. Look at what noises it made.
Well, we just broke some of the pieces up because these are big, so we broke some up a little bit. Can you hear that?
We're legit
Can you hear that?
Here,
listen.
We're freezing the.
Can they hear
We're
it?
freezing these
Can
songs.
they hear it?
Do not try this at home without gloves, right, Pop?
Yeah. Sounds like an animal.
Do not touch it or else you will burn your finger off. Oh yeah, if you guys don't subscribe, and then tomorrow morning there's going to be a bed right next to you. I mean, there's going to be a...
Listen to that.
Oh my god! So what I was saying, if you guys don't subscribe, when you wake up, there's going to be a spider laying in your bed.
Crazy.
That is so crazy.
That's creepy almost.
That's like scary. Yeah, unless you want a spider in your bed, you better subscribe.
Okay, so now we're going to put some... Oh, you want to pause it?
Alright.
Pause.
We're going to pause this real quick. Alright, so we're back. Right now we have the dry ice. Dude, like, look at that.
Okay, there's not enough liquid in...
Liquid.
Yeah, there's enough liquid. Okay, you're going to... Here.
So we're going to dump this flour in there.
You're going to dunk it in there.
And see what happens.
Get all the way deep. Get all the way in the water. Yeah. Did it freeze up?
Let's see.
No, it's still soggy.
It's like losing its color.
Maybe we'll leave it in there a little
I'm
while.
trying to make it like
Here, hold this.
frozen.
I'm going to put some more water.
Yeah, we're going to put some more water.
Yeah.
See what happens.
Maybe there wasn't enough of this.
We put plenty in there. Okay. Kaylin, hold. This thing's gonna die.
Okay, it did not get hard at all.
Yeah, we looked it up online.
This is a bust. This is a bust.
We looked it up online and said it's supposed to freeze, but...
It didn't quite freeze. How about if we put it directly onto the dry ice?
Yeah, how about directly on?
At least get like a little piece of it to freeze on there.
Alright, well, let's just leave that. Let's let that sit.
Okay, we'll leave that. Pause the other. Pause that.
We also have... Alright, I'll see you guys in a second. Bye-bye. Alright, so right now we have the ice, as you can see. So we are going to fill it up with water and then put some dish soap, and then apparently it's supposed to make bubbles, right? Mm-hmm. Which will look really cool. Fingers crossed it works, guys. Fingers crossed. It look very cool. It's working. I think we just need to add a little.
Get a piece of this screening light. Listen to that. What the heck?
So you can see the bubbles are now forming. Oof. Look at this. Look at this. It's...
It's getting bigger and bigger bubbles. Look at that. Get this out of the way.
You're a good blogger. I wonder if it's touchable.
You could, yeah, this you could touch.
Really?
Okay? Yeah, because you're just popping the bubbles.
Okay, I'm gonna take a. Ready?
Yeah, wait. Just don't stick your hand in the liquid.
Like, this is like sis.
Still going, huh? Yeah.
Hold me.
It dries pretty quick, huh?
Yeah, but...
Why do you why do you think it dries quickly?
What?
Why do you think that it dries so quick?
Like why they pop?
It's already dry in your hand.
Well...
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Why do you think that happens?
I feel like it's something with, like, I feel like it's because it's like so cold. It's something because it's cold. I don't know. I really don't know. I need some help. You guys, you want to feel it, guys? Do you feel it? Feel it, feel it, feel it. Yep. Get that phone rolling that. Guys,
Oh, it didn't even make the lens dirty.
I know.
Not at all. Because it dried so quickly.
Wait, what if I did?
Yeah.
Useless.
I think we might need a little more water in there because...
Oh yeah, and that's how the flowers do.
Here, hold this. Oh, you want to see the flower? Okay.
Yeah, the flowers do
Talk
well.
about it.
Just
What do you want?
so because it didn't turn rock solid, so right now we're just chilling it in the.
Still soft. Oh, yeah, you can hear it.
Just keep putting it in there. I think it'll be better.
I don't think
You didn't say like a certain time limit. Beautiful day. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Now I'm gonna try hot water in here because I think the hot water will get more of a reaction.
Of what?
Are you still recording? Or are you on pause?
I'm still recording.
All right. Over here, Reed. Here. Ready? This is hot water now. You ready? Let's see if it makes any difference.
Oh yeah, that's a big difference.
No, not really.
Oh. Rip in the chat for Reed
I do
Biker.
this. You ready for this? Okay. Put another piece in. Think it's gonna scream?
Yep. Guys, comment down below if you like the sound of cardboard. It just...
Ready?
See, you give me goosebumps. Oh my God.
There you go.
And as you can see, the bubbles are now forming.
No, you can do this. Just don't stick your hand in the... Oh, this isn't... you notice something different this time.
Yeah.
It stays wet. When we used cold water, it dried instantly in your hand.
Welcome to Learning with Reed.
Stays wet this time.
We should
huh?
make a science channel. Like experiments. It's like, so
So what was the difference?
So the bubbles, see how they have like frost in it, so then when you pop it, all the frost from the bubble just pops.
It's like smoke.
Yeah.
But now, isn't that weird?
never
With
said-
hot water, I wonder if we can figure out why hot water and the dry ice makes this a little more
Oh yeah,
damp
also,
in your hands.
subscribe to my grandpa's channel. He's a really good YouTuber. You should go subscribe.
Getting kind of big in that sink, huh?
Yeah. Let's just leave it sit. Let's let it sit.
All right. Well, here then. Can I pause this and then we'll come back to it?
Yep. Bye. As you could see, the utensil now has frostbite. It now has
It's hard to make
frostbite.
that sound, though.
Look, see? Look. It
Yeah,
now
it was
has
just like
frostbite.
I think we ruined Nona's Nona's utensil. Okay.
Oh, rip in the chat for Nano.
That's it.
Look at that.
Yeah,
Look,
I don't want this to fill
we're
up.
trying to fill up like the whole sink, and we just put a little bit more soap in. Yeah. As you can see, we have like a little soap thingamajig here. When you push down, it just comes out with soap.
Yeah. They're making bigger bubbles. See this? Boop, I just popped it.
Grandfather. Look, guys, look at how much of the sink it's already filling up. Yeah, we're not clickbait. Are we clickbait, Papa?
Are we what?
Clickbait. Good. That's proof. That's evidence. That all this is real. Look, there's even dry ice right there. Look, see? See?
Hey, let's see how this guy's doing. Let's see if we might get something to touch it. Can you hear it?
Can you guys see this?
It is solid.
Is it solid?
Oh, that side, the side that was. Can you hear it?
That is like Leave it there. Leave it there for like a few minutes. Thing will be frozen as.
All right, we're done. Oh, are we done now?
Look at this. Look at this. Nope, we're never done.
Don't zoom in on me.
Ooh. So right now it's just guys. All right, we're gonna pause the video and wait for it to fill up. See you guys there.
Oh, on.
So this is it. A few minutes later. You guys, if you actually try this out.
Well, actually,
it's
here.
cool.
If you look here, they're popping themselves, and
It's because there's probably
it
too
looks
many.
like not lava, but I don't know what. But guys, pop some up.
I wish you guys could feel this. This is
How many thumbs up do you think you'll get on this video?
as many bubbles as that are in.
How many? Okay.
As many bubbles that are in my hand.
How many thumbs down? And did
17.
did you tell everyone that even if they do a thumbs down, that actually means thumbs up?
Yeah.
Yeah. So thumbs down don't count. So you could leave thumbs down or thumb up. Doesn't
We count
matter.
everything we count. If it's thumbs up, we count it as a thumbs up. Count thumbs down, we count it as a thumbs up. If you don't subscribe, that counts as a subscribe. Guys, alright, so I posted a video, like the first Amazing Frog video. It had like 800 views. Half the people that watched it, of those 800 views, aren't even subscribed to my channel. So half the people that watch my videos aren't even subscribed. So go subscribe, please. It means a lot. I'm gonna try to hit 100 by the end of, let's see, the end of August. So fingers crossed. I think I have like 80 or 90. I don't know, guys. Just please subscribe. Alright, so wait a minute. What happens if I
What do you call that tool that you're using?
I call
The
this a
utensil.
tool.
No, what do you call it?
A tool.
It's a thong or a tongue?
It's a tool.
No, it's tongs.
It's a tool.
Thongs are in the
Really?
drawer. Yeah. I don't even think Lona has thongs.
Let's see this thing.
No, you can pick that up by the stem.
Look at it.
Oh, sink is making more noise now.
And if you want.
Pause it.
Well, it was a false alarm. It was someone from Taiwan, from Asia. So, put that there. Yep, from Asia.
And this, I think we're done.
How can they even call us if they don't even know our phone number?
Random.
Let's
Okay,
switch on.
so we're done here.
You are.
We're done there.
Now it just turns into bubbles.
Yeah.
Look, it's not even like. Now my thumb is cold.
I'm gonna pause this for 1 second.
Alright. So we were just finishing off on everything and this. Fire alarm. Wait, do you think the fire alarm would go off? If
No,
it
it's
went
not. It's not that kind of smoke. This is a
Look.
gas. It's not a smoke. Oh, do that again. Grab another one. I didn't get that. Hold on. Where is it?
Look, right?
Yep. That's awesome.
So guys, this is experimenting with
okay, can we
look here.
Okay, say bye to
I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe, like I said, about 20 times. Subscribe. Bye.